Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my corn pie. So we have here salt to taste, some milk. This is carnation milk, and what I did, I just added the liquid from the 2 tins of whole sweet corn. I added in here with a little bit of water because to me the milk is a bit too creamy for me to handle in a pie. I have cheese here and some butter on the side here because I want to dirty up no set of wares. The 2 tin of corn and some fresh seasoning. And I have a pan here to bake. And some flour. And this is to cater for like about just 4 people. My family isn't that big, so I wouldn't be cooking as much. So if it's like a good serving of people, you could double the amount here. And this here is half a pound of cheese right here. So let we start. So we go take the butter and drop it in the pan, let it melt out. Almost. And this is a very fast, quick and easy way to make corn pie. It's simple, no kind of complication. So it melts out. So I'm just going to add this much flour, sprinkle it all around, and the flour and the butter along with the milk is just to make a roux for the corn so that everything would hold together. Because if you use the corn just so and you just had the cheese and stuff like that, it will just be loosen up when you're ready to serve. But I just get them the corn in the pan. Let me just add a little more flour. Right, so it's like a pot spoon of flour. The butter that I added was 2 tablespoons. If you want the measurements for the butter, it's right on the blue band piece of paper. So if you can average properly. Right, and what we want to do is just let this toast until it gets a little dry. It's kind of moist right now. Get your spoon, strip it off. Right, and you're just letting this toast until it's completely dry. Right, so this is the dryness that you're looking for, a bit sunny. Right, so now this part here, we want to do is turn your fire on really low, the lowest you could find before adding the milk. Right, so I'm gonna add the milk, and what we want to do is mix out all the clumps out of the flour as fast as you could, because the milk will start to evaporate in two-twos and you don't want any chunks inside. Right, you see how it's already starting to thick up and the clumps are coming out. Just keep mixing. If you're getting out as much clumps, just add a little more water and just keep going. Your arms will start to kind of hurt a little bit because there's a good bit of mixing. Right, if you for some reason your stove dries it out faster than you're able to get out some of the big chunks, just add a little water and just continue mixing. Just keep mixing until right, and this is the consistency we're looking for with the roux. Kind of stretchy, gooey, like that. That's what we're looking for. Right, so what you could do, you could probably lock off your stove now, and we're going to add the cheese and a little tip of seasoning. So we go add a little bit of the cheese because we're putting some on top to bake. Alright, leaving back this amount. Grease burn out my fire. Salt to taste. And half a teaspoon of seasoning, green seasoning. If you don't have green seasoning and you have pimentos alone, that would work perfect too. Alright, and you just mix all of this in together. The reason I put salt in mine, even though we have butter and cheese, is because the corn itself is really sweet, and I like a balance in my food, sweet with salty. So you see, look at the consistency. See how everything just kind of moving to how I stir? That's the consistency you're looking for to make the you see that? See how it fold up nice? That's what you're looking for. Alright, and now you're just adding your 2 tin of corn. 1. And remember y'all, I use the liquid from this here to add with the milk. So mine wouldn't be milky. Just mixing it together. And you'll see how everything will start to just incorporate and marry everything together. We will taste after, because depending on how sweet the corn is, the roux might lose a little bit of the saltiness. You don't want it too salty, because when you bake this kind of enhance the salt more. So right, you see how everything just come together. This is what you're looking for, right? And now we're just going to add it to the baking pan. Alright, just add everything. Add your remainder cheese, sprinkle it all around. And the reason for baking is you just want to give it some nice freckles, a little brown. If you like it really toasted, then go right ahead. Just don't toast it too much, because you don't want the corn to get dry. And so I just go in and pop this in the oven for like about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be right back with the end results. Okay guys, so this is the corn pie. After I sliced it, I dished it out to show you guys. You see it's whole together, nothing falling apart like mac and cheese. A nice looking pie. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And it tastes, oh my gosh, you're making you dribble. Serious.